Still staring at a blank page, wondering what to write in your product description? You're not alone. Whether you're listing a new product on Shopify, uploading a Notion template to Etsy, or sharing a new download on Gumroad, writing copy that actually converts can feel like the hardest part. The pressure is real. You want your product to stand out, sound professional, and sell well. But that kind of writing takes time. And when you're a digital creator juggling product design, customer messages, and marketing, it's often the first thing to get rushed or skipped. The result? Descriptions that sound generic, confusing, or simply don't convert. This is exactly why we built the product descriptions tool inside AI Creator Max. It's designed for busy digital sellers who need clear, high-performing copy fast. With this tool, you don't need to be a copywriter. You just fill in a few quick details about your product, and the AI handles the rest. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine you're selling a Notion template for freelancers. It includes a client tracker, an invoice generator, and a clean project dashboard. It's beginner-friendly and fully customizable. Your goal is to highlight keywords like freelance tools, Notion dashboard, and productivity. You want the tone to be professional, and of course, the language is English. Inside AI Creator Max, all you have to do is search for product descriptions, click on the tool, and enter those details. Then hit generate. Within seconds, you'll get a clean, clear product description, ready to copy and paste into your Shopify store, Etsy listing, or product page. What makes this especially useful is that the tool does more than just save time. It writes copy that actually helps sell your product. It focuses on benefits, clarity, and structure so that potential buyers instantly understand what they're getting and why it matters. From there, you can rate the result with one click, copy it to your clipboard, send it to your email, or edit it directly inside the tool. And if you want to revisit something you generated earlier, the History tab on the sidebar keeps all of your previous results saved and organized. For creators who want to spend more time building and less time writing, this is one of the most helpful tools available. Instead of spending 20 or 30 minutes crafting each description, you can have something polished and professional in under a minute. If writing product copy has been slowing you down, or if you just want to get more sales with less effort, give the product descriptions tool a try. You can sign up and use it free at aicreatormax.com. The link is in the description. And here's a bonus tip before we wrap up. If you sell digital products, this tool will easily save you hours every week, time you can use to create more, market better, or just enjoy a little extra breathing room. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.